student. Chapter Central of Tendency, Measure of Center Tendency. Topic is frequency distribution. Okay. Earlier we have already done the different methods: direct method, shortcut method, and step deviation method of individual and discrete series. Okay. Today we are going to do the frequency distribution series. Okay. This one is the last series. And what do you mean by frequency distribution? In which class interval and frequency are given. So class interval means suppose 0 to 10, 10 to 20 is given. This is called class interval. So जिसमें class interval and frequency given होती है, this is called frequency distribution. Okay, let's start the numerical. Okay, same as it is, I have shown this numerical in one part only. Okay, so this is already given to you. Marks आपको दिए हुए हैं. Frequency is already given to you. ठीक है. What is the difference between frequency distribution and discrete series? Okay, in discrete series we were not calculating the mid value because only this is given to you. Okay, so 0 to 10. Okay, this is the class interval is given to you. Okay, so how to calculate the mid value? L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So lower limit plus upper limit is divided by 2. So how did I calculate it? Just check it out from here. That 0 plus 10 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So mid value is 5 here. Clear? So same as it is, हम इसी तरीके से निकाल लेंगे. जैसे 10 plus 20 divided by 2. So we will calculate 15. आपको सारी निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. You are not supposed to calculate each and every unit. आप इसके 10 का आप देखो 10 का डिफरेंस है ना. 0 to 10 there is a difference of 10. So आपका मिड वैल्यू भी उसी तरीके से 10, 15, 15 plus 10, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. Okay, I'm just repeating it again. मिड वैल्यू निकालेंगे आप 0 plus 10, लोअर प्लस अपर वैल्यू को ऐड करके डिवाइडेड बाय 2 करेंगे. सो यू कैन गेट द मिड वैल्यू. एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ऑल्सो, वेन एवर यू आर डूइंग एनी न्यूमेरिकल, जस्ट राइट द फॉर्मूला. Okay, just check what is in the formula. Mean is equal to sigma fm upon sigma f. So f I am already having. So by adding all the unit of frequency, okay, so I can get the value of sigma f. Sigma f is equal to 90, but I need sigma fm. How to calculate fm? Okay, f is already we are having, frequency हमारे पास है, mid value भी है, तो हम इन दोनों को multiply कर देंगे. Okay, fm means multiplying f and m. So we will get 15, 120, 12 into 25, 300, 16 into 35, 560, 855, 16 into 55 is 880, 715 and 375. So by adding all the unit we will get sigma fm, which is equal to 3820. Okay, so now what we have to do? Sigma fm. Sigma fm की जगह मैं लिख सकती हूँ 3820 and sigma f की जगह I can write 90. So I can get the value is 42.44. Okay, so this is the answer by which method? This is the direct method. Fine. This is now the next is shortcut method. Okay, so what is the formula? Firstly, I have already written the formula, that is mean is equal to a plus sigma ft upon sigma f. Okay, so it means what we need, we need a means assumed mean, d means x minus a, but already it's a class interval, so here m minus a. Okay, just check it out. मार्क्स इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, एफ इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, आपको ये ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. मिड वैल्यू मैंने ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट कर दिया बिकॉज अर्लियर आई टोल्ड यू हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द मिड वैल्यू. फाइन. सो डी अर्लियर वी हैव डन डी इज इक्वल टू एक्स माइनस ए. याद रखना है आपने बेटा, जब भी आप डिस्क्रीट सीरीज से कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो फॉर्मूला होगा डी का एक्स माइनस ए, बट उसका आपका फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का फॉर्मूला होगा m minus a, means mid value minus assume. So आप assume कहाँ से करेंगे? You are going to assume from mid value. Okay, so from the mid value I have assumed 45 here. ठीक है, so 5 mid value minus 45. So by this way we are going to all the units. Fine. So 5 minus 45, 15 minus 45, 25 minus 45, 35 minus 45. So what we are getting it, minus 40, minus 30, minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. मैंने क्या किया है, d था, d में से m माइनस ए एज्यूम. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, यू कैन एज्यूम एनी नंबर, नॉट कंपल्सरी यू आर सपोज टू एज्यूम दिस ओनली. यू कैन एज्यूम 35, 25, दैट इज योर चॉइस. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी नीड, f एंड d. f d कैसे कैलकुलेट होगा, f and d multiply by both the unit. So 3 multiply by minus 40, minus 20, 240, 240. Okay, so what I am doing here, मैं f और d को मल्टीप्लाई कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, क्योंकि मुझे फॉर्मूला के अकॉर्डिंगली आई नीड सिग्मा एफ डी. ओके, सो सिग्मा एफ डी इज इक्वल टू, ओके, सिग्मा एफ डी इज इक्वल टू माइनस 230. सो ए एज्यूम क्या किया मैंने, 45. सिग्मा एफ डी इज माइनस 230 एंड सिग्मा एफ आपको जरूरत नहीं है दोबारा ऐड करने की, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हम कर चुके हैं. सिग्मा एफ इज इक्वल टू 90. ओके, so 90. So you can deduct it from here and we will get the answer 42.44. As I told you earlier also, आप इसको LCM भी ले सकते हैं. अगर आप LCM नहीं लेना चाहते तो इनको डिवाइड करके जो भी यूनिट आएगा उसमें से माइनस कर देंगे, बिकॉज माइनस साइन इज ओवर हेयर. फाइन. लास्ट, दिस इज अ step deviation method. Okay, so step deviation method, now just check it out, the formula a plus sigma f d dash upon sigma f into c. I'm repeating again and again beta. Firstly do write the numeric, do write the formula. Okay, so a assume चाहिए मुझे, d I don't know, I don't want d, I want d dash. So d dash is equal to is equal to m minus a upon c. As I told you earlier, c is a common factor, so sigma f into c. Fine. Okay, just check it out, the numerical. Marks and frequency is already given to you. Marks and frequency are already given. Mid value हमने निकाल ली है, d भी हमने, I have taken from the previous. Okay, I have taken it from the previous. Okay, so mid value and d I have taken from the previous unit. So d dash, अब देखिए d डैश क्या है बेटा, कॉमन फैक्टर. कॉमन फैक्टर, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन 0 एंड 10 इज 10. 10 20 is 10. So the difference between all is 10. So common factor is 10. So minus 40 divided by 10. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I hope it is clear to you. D dash means common factor निकालेंगे. अगर सपोज यहाँ 0 10 की बजाय होता 10 to 30. So difference क्या होता, 20. So common factor क्या होता है, 20. Okay, f d dash. So I'm going to multiply f with d dash. So what we get, minus 12, minus 24, minus 24, minus 16, 0, 16, 22 and 15. So sigma f d dash is equal to minus 23. Okay, by adding and subtracting all the unit I got minus 23. And I need sigma f. Already sigma f already we have calculated. This is equal to 90. So a, what I have assumed right now, 45. Sigma f d dash minus 23. Sigma f 90. Common factor is 10. Okay, so the answer is 42.44. As I told you earlier, bache, whether you are calculating it with the direct method, okay, with the shortcut method or step deviation method, you will get the same answer. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you, students.